good afternoon, and how's going?
Wait a minute. Yes, everything is going well. Thank you so much for asking me. And what about you?
It's just super califragilisticexpialidocious. I just went bananas too much with you. Again, as we're meeting for the first time, you might not know me before. Do you watch my video?
Your videos on YouTube. Yes,
You've watched my videos on YouTube.
yes, yes.
Okay, probably you know me very well, but people are watching from different countries and my audience. And do you have any YouTube channel?
Mhm.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, yes, I do. So, as we are meeting for the very first time
So
to each other, so I would like you to
yeah,
introduce yourself.
so
That I can.
for your audience and my audience, I'd like to introduce myself. So I'm Mehzabin Mowshi. I come from Bangladesh. If you tell about my qualification, I'm just in class 7 in a Bengali medium school as a Bengali medium student. And another thing about me is I'm developing my skills in British and American accent. And for that, I have a YouTube channel where I upload English related videos, and my channel's goal is to show people how to learn English without any grammatical rules and to learn English just like a baby by just listening to English media. Another thing I just shared that I'm interested in neuroscience. That's all about myself. So could you please introduce yourself too?
Sure. So, my name is Naval Ajmera, and I am connecting to you from Jaipur city, which is in Rajasthan state. And talking about my profession, currently I am working in a company as an e-commerce executive. And apart from this, I'm running a YouTube channel where I post English conversational videos like you. So that is all about me.
Okay, so as I said, e-commerce. I don't know about it. Also, I know pretty well about it. So I think it's related to business,
Online,
right?
yes, online shopping.
I know it very properly. Cause you know what? It's type of entrepreneur thing, and it's like when I heard about it, it's like, oh, it's cool, right? Everything. So today we're gonna share about each other's knowledge of learning English properly. So my first question for you, the first impression question, you get your introduction very well and very shortly, but very informatively, because your introduction is the first impression to other people. You're talking about your career, your life, your skills, your goals, what you actually share to your people. Okay, so what do you mean by here is your career, here is your career, and here is your English? I mean, this is online shopping, and where is the English? So, which turning point did you take the English very seriously and you started working in this platform?
I couldn't get it your question. Could you repeat again?
Okay, let me tell the question shortly. This is the online shopping business, the e-commerce. Here is the English. But which the point you just turn to English and think I should learn English for myself, and that helped to your career. Like, what's the turning point? What's the first impression thought that you have that I have to learn English?
Yeah, so when I was working in my previous company, so that time I used to face a lot of difficulties while talking to clients, while talking to vendors. So that time I got to know the importance of language, and I decided that I have to learn this language anyhow. Then I started working on my English. In beginning, I would learn grammar rules, and I would use free applications to do speaking practice. So that's how I have my English. Yeah.
That's probably good. Talking about your friend client native speakers just actually help. But you have a difficulty of talking to your client, like foreign client from different countries. Um, did they actually be friendly to you that you don't know English, or they just, just don't feel good about you? What they actually think? And, some native speakers is very friendly. They try to share that you have to speak like this, then you'll be fluent in English. And other native speakers actually they just criticize people, and you don't know English, you don't have to work in this platform. So what type of client you actually have?
I used to with Indian clients as well, but they never criticized me. But if I talk about Indian people, they criticize sometimes. Like, yeah, like your English is not good, and my English, to be honest, my English was not that much good that at that point. But now I can speak confidently and I can convey my thoughts and ideas properly to them. Yeah.
Yep. So, what's the first point did you think in your mind? Like it's type of a formal conversation, not an informal conversation. Well, how do you start your conversation? Like, what's the first impression do you give to your client to buy the product you're selling in your online business?
So I don't customers don't talk to customers directly like, hey, like this product, this product. I these platforms. I have to handle like I have to upload products on these marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and sometimes I have to run ads as well, and I have to process orders. So I do such kind of thing. So I and
So,
I have to talk clients like who vendors sometimes. Let's suppose I have to manage inventory as well. If we do not have enough stock, then I will talk to them that this product is uh, not
out of
available in our. Yes, yes, it is out. We want like 20 piece or 30 piece of these products in our stock. So I talk to them. That's all.
which kind of product do you actually sell in your e-commerce business platform?
We are dealing in home furnishing category. We sell home furnishing items like bed sheets, cushion cover, curtains. So we are selling this such kind of products on various so like e-commerce platforms.
That's probably good because everything in online gets the market very, highly because nowadays people are using online, they're getting in online, they're reaching out people. And one of the best thing is nowadays people don't get the mentality to go to the shop and buy something. They get the mentality to just open your phone and just order by yourself to a website. So this the mentality they have, that's it will be a good quality product, plus they have websites, so that's just more critical, and they're just very formal and they're just very professional that they get this website, and that would be much better if I order in the cell phone. But many people who go to the shop and just buy everything, like groceries, many things, home related items, daily use items, so they just type of they have doubt that the product will be good or not. But in case of online shopping, I don't get any people that don't trust the online shopping. So it's much be comfortable, much be easy, and reaching out to different kinds of people. If you have the outdoor shop, then people will buy from only India as you sure that you're from India. But if you just create your platform on online, that would be much better. That other client, other different types of people will just reach out to your product. So it's just amazing that you use your online business very properly. So that's the thing. Another thing is that, are you new to this English speaking platform, or have you talked to many people before?
Um, and I think like 50 or 60, I think so.
50 people. Yep. You're pretty like in the medium place to talk with people. Another thing I'd like to share with you is different kinds of people, different kinds of opinion, different kinds of occasion, and different types of mentality. So when you're gonna talk to them, you're gonna learn something new, express something new, share something new. So this is the main magic to this platform. I've heard so many people talking about that. I've used the platform, and in just 3 months, I've aged my English. Well, when I was the English learner of like 9 years old, when I'm in that time, that I used to, I don't have conversations. I used to like audio conversation to many platforms, but I'm not directly go to video conversation. But still, I don't feel hesitate because, I was very familiar to the camera. I love the camera and love to talk about myself in the camera. Well, I just love English at that time. That's why I just aced it. Because my favorite cartoon characters is actually English native speaker or held in UK, USA, these types of places. So if my favorite character in this place, I'll automatically learn the language by myself. That's what different kids do around the world. What they listen, they do everything. What's their favorite, what's they actually love. So that is the thing. So sir, do you have
May I
any
ask,
questions?
yes, yes. May I ask you a question? So,
Okay.
as you mentioned, you are working on your like accent. So, why are you learning American accent? Do you want to go to USA?
Actually, every people have a dream to express their knowledge in abroad. Just like that, I have a dream to express my knowledge of neuroscience in abroad. Actually, I don't learn American accent only for going to USA. As I say, that British and American accent I learned actually. I could talk in British and American accent. Now I'm talking in American accent because many people know that most instead of British accent, because British accent and American accent, those are just like my hobbies. I don't pressurize any people. You have to learn it, otherwise your English is not good. Um, that's not fair. But how do you learn that accent is actually, that is not called accent, that is called the true pronunciation of learning English. When are you gonna do that? Probably ace it. Because when I watch videos like The Diary of a CEO, Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom, these are in British and American accent. When I heard them, like I just listened to
Mm.
them carefully. That time I just capture their pronunciation, capture their accent. Like that, I've aged my English. But I don't have any mentality that I have to learn this accent. And I don't learn this two accent for going to USA because many people just like other people are going to USA, but they're not talking in American accent. But I don't tell that you don't know American or British accent. It's not good, right?
Great.
So do you have any other questions for sure?
Right now, I do not have any questions, but I want to ask you: do you prefer like online shopping or offline shopping? As we were talking about shopping, so I just want to know like which mode do you prefer, online or offline?
Online is the best, I think, because author of a book, don't tell me author, properly not a best author, because I just love to write English storybooks around more. So I've published a book on InKid, the online free reading books platform, where I can share my knowledge for free to other people to read them and understand the knowledge of English as well as the confidence, the motivation in yourself. So my book name is The Lila's Magical Life Story. Over there, I've shared how a girl overcome their fear fear of public speaking and A's in every places. Now, like she's just all rounder. It's related to my dream. You can read that book on NKid. So how I support this, because in online I get followers from NKid, like from UK, from USA, like California, these types of places. They come and said that your book is pretty good, but you need to like keep going because my chapters is too little. Because a 9 years old wrote it, so you know probably how little it was. You know, it concludes a chapter. Like it's similar to the Art of Thinking Clearly book. Very little chapter, but it concludes 99 chapters of the book. So pretty like that, I support the online shopping the most.
Okay, great. So best of luck for your future. Keep growing.
Thank you very much. Yep, thank you very much. Thanks a million. I can't thank you enough for this amazing conversation and mind blowing conversation. I just went bananas in this conversation. Well, meet you in the next future. Till then, keep practicing English and we'll catch you in the next in future. Bye.